This video will show you how to mount and adjust the gate switch on a good gate. During the video, you will see that there are two types of switch brackets. The first, shown here, is for manual gates. It has a single magnet at the top and a raised strike plate for the magnet to attach to. The second, shown here, is for an auto operator. It does not have its own magnet and strike plate, since the gate arm for the operator has the magnet and the operator has its own connection plate. The first step is to mount the pin bracket to the leading edge upright with the two flathead screws and the nylock washers that are provided. You can use the pre-drilled and countersunk holes to correctly position this pin plate. Next, slide the contact receiver bracket into the second track from the top. There are two set screws that you can tighten to hold it in place. You want to mount it so that the pins push as deep as possible into the contact without bottoming the pins out at the back of the contact. You also want to mount it so that the magnet touches the magnet receiver plate at the same time as the gate touches the slam post. Once you've adjusted the receiver bracket to the right location, you can tighten the two set screws to hold it securely in place. Once you've installed the gate switch, you can connect the two wires from the controller to the gate switch and secure them above the switch with the zip tie.